Hi, we are given to solve for the value of x for the equation that says 2 raised to the power of x plus s is equal to 20. So we are given 2 raised to the power of x plus x is equal to 20. But we know that 2 raised to the power of s is equal to 1 divided by 2 all raised to the power of negative x. So we have our equation becomes 1 divided by 2 all raised to the power of negative x plus x equal to 20. This can be expressed as 1 divided by 2 all raised to the power of negative x is equal to 20 minus x. Now let's multiply both sides of the equation by 1 divided by 2 raised to the power of 20. Our equation becomes 1 divided by 2 all raised to the power of 20 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 all raised to the power of negative x equal to 1 divided by 2 all raised to the power of 20 multiplied by 20 minus x. From the left hand side, since we have the same base, our equation becomes 1 divided by 2 all raised to the power of 20 minus x equal to 1 divided by 2 all raised to the power of 20 multiplied by 20 minus x. So our equation becomes 1 divided by 2 raised to the power of 20 minus x equal to 1 divided by 2 raised to the power of 20 times 20 minus x. So our equation becomes 1 divided by 2 raised to the power of 20 minus x equal to 20 minus x divided by 2 raised to the power of 20. If we cross multiply, we have that 2 raised to the power of 20 equal to 20 minus x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 20 minus x. The left hand side can also be expressed as 2 raised to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 16 equal to 20 minus x times 2 raised to the power of 20 minus x. Our equation becomes 16 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 16 equal to 20 minus x multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 20 minus x. Now, if we equate terms, we have that 16 will be equal to 20 minus x and 2 raised to the power of 16 will be equal to 2 raised to the power of 20 minus x. So therefore, we have that 16 minus 20 is equal to minus x. So this becomes minus 4 equal to minus x. So x is equal to 4. Here, we also have that since our bases are the same, the equation becomes 16 equal to 20 minus x. So we have that 16 minus 20 is equal to minus x. So we have minus 4 equal to minus x. So x is equal to 4. Now let's check if our equation is true. We are given that 2 raised to the power of x plus x is equal to 20. X is equal to 4, so therefore we have 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 4 is equal to 20. 2 raised to the power of 4 is given as 16 plus 4 equal to 20. So we have 20 is equal to 20. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.